Hey, and welcome back to my channel. So thank you for stopping by if you are new, and thank you for coming back if you are not. So today's video is going to be it's quite late, this video, and the reason why it's late is not my fault, but I'll get into that into the video. So today's video is the January curl box. I think it's Curlee box. I was getting mixed up with them. Is it Curlee? Yeah, Curlee box. So basically I'm going to just unpack and see what we have in it for this month. But before we get into the depths of this video, if I could ask you to hit that subscribe button down below, that would be fantastic. Also make sure you give it a thumbs up if you do end up liking the video, which there'd be no reason why you wouldn't, so make sure you hit that thumbs up, and also make sure you hit that notification bell so you're notified as and when I upload a new video. So, all the formalities done, let's get on with the video. Yeah, so obviously by this clear title, we're going to do, as I say, we're going to do the unboxing. So the reason why it is late, so this is the January Curlee box. Now I'm filming this video on the 10th of February. I had to pick this up from the post office yesterday, however it was attempted to be delivered on the 7th of April, sorry, the 8th of February. Now clearly that's not, it's very late, and I think I've mentioned in a couple of the videos before that I've done that I find the delivery time of the Curlee box just problematic for me. You know, I understand that I'm not going to expect to get on the 1st of every month. You know, within that first week I would expect to receive the delivery. I've been on their website and it says it should be 2 to 5 working days. Now since signing up to this subscription, that has never been the case. It's normally taken at least 2 weeks for me, so I always get it mid-month. Now for January, for whatever reason, there was a delay. However, they didn't email me and tell me that. I had to chase and say, well, why, I'm expecting a delivery, what's happened? There was a delay, hence why now it didn't arrive until, as I say, the 8th of February. So after this video, guys, I shall not be continuing on with this subscription. I like the products as such, but it's just not reliable for me to be doing videos on, because, like I say, I'm telling you about January's one. January's done, and, February is probably on its way, or something like that. As I say, but I have cancelled the subscription, so enough rambling, rambled enough. Underneath said hair, I've washed it today, however I just don't have the time to do anything with it. I'm actually travelling for work today, so I'm doing this video, so I'm just going to, come to this spot. I'm doing this video just before I leave out, so I just thought it'd be easier to put the headscarf on. I've seen my piercings. Anyone's got piercings? My up here's a bit sore, inside's a little bit sore as well. I've only had them done for about 3 months, I think. But anyway, it's not here to talk about my piercings. But I do love it. I wish my lobe was like larger, because I'd have it all up there. But as you go higher on mine, it's just too much cartilage, and that's just, when you're piercing cartilage, it just gets problematic. So it's not worth the thing we do. But I do have 3 holes, but I just don't have an earring in that one at the minute. But I've got 3. And then on this side, hear me, I'm not talking about piercings, but here we go. 3 on that side, and then I have this pierce as well. If you'd like me to talk about my piercings, let me know in the comment section down below. So anyway, so let's see what we've got here now. So, as always with the Curlee box, it comes with this little, I don't know if you can see that, sorry about the lighting, guys, but it's basically it says January curl box, and then it's got a list. It's got 4 different items in this one. It does feel quite heavy, and I'll just read through what it says on each one. So, so as you can see, it has, it comes in this paper packaging. And then I'm just going to open it up. Okay, it's got 4 large products in here. Okay, so I'm going to start with this one. And this is by the company Eco Styler. So it would appear that it's a gel of some sort. So I'll just, let me see, I'll show you. Here we go. Get a bit closer. Why not, eh? There we go. So this is the cannabis sativa oil, sativa oil, black castor oil and olive oil. It says for all hair types, moisturizes, nourishes, protects, adds body, promotes hair growth, shine, alcohol free, flake free. Now, oh, interesting. And then it's just got the seal on here just to say that it's a genuine eco styler gel product. So let me get rid of that. And get my trusty scissors. Get this open. I mean, I have used eco styler gel before. No issue with it. I mean, you know, gel's a gel, or is it? So anyway, seals done. Okay. Oh, it smells quite nice. I'll just show you the texture. Hopefully you can see that, guys. Quite nice. What I am going to do is, as I've got my hair up, I'm just going to I might try that out. Yeah. Professional styling gel. Yeah, it says cannabis is a strong holding gel that's ideal for any hairstyle. Water-based and renowned for its many benefits, infused with cannabis. As I said, it's weightless and provides gravity-defying hold for styles. So at one stage I might try wash and go with that. I mean, at the stage I'm in now, I've not really got time for wash and goes because I just gotta go. I ain't got time to wash. So the next product is by Revlon Realistic Black Seed Oil, designed for natural hair, strengthening sulfate-free shampoo. I didn't know they Revlon had this. Let's get a bit closer, can you see? Yeah, I didn't know that Revlon had this. Let's say it says beautiful bounce and less breakage starts here. Only Revlon Realistic strengthening shampoo is infused with powerful black seed oil, proven to strengthen your hair and nourish your scalp. Provides hair with UV protection. It says wet hair, so again, no mineral oil, no petroleum, no sulfate, no parabens and no colorants. So yeah, okay. And it comes in, actually it's a good size, it's 11.5 fluid ounces, so good size, and it's got a nice little pump on there, so nice shampoo. Then it also comes with conditioner. This will be interesting because it's the same, obviously it says black seed oil designed for natural hair. Strengthening conditioner, intense moisture. Now I'm always looking for intense moisture. Always. Always. So let's see what it says in here. It says give your hair new life and resilience with Revlon Realistic Strengthening Conditioner. Its unique infusion of powerful black seed oil nourishes your hair, making it visibly shinier and stronger, and it provides hair with UV protection. No mineral oils, no petroleum, no sulfates, no parabens, and no colorants. It says apply generous amount, comb through, cover with plastic cap for 10 minutes and then rinse. Interesting. Might use this next time I wash. But yeah, but I've never used the Revlon Realistic brand before, so that'd be interesting, good to know. And then we've got a brand that I have used before, and this is Cantu conditioning creamy hair lotion. So nice big size this. So it says conditions curly wavy hair, leaves curls full of shine and body, softens and detangles, no sulfate, silicons, parabens or mineral oil. Softens, moisturizes, reveal it. Okay, so it says softens, moisturizes and detangles hair, revealing shiny, bouncy curls made with pure shea butter. Cantu restores your real authentic beauty. Embrace your curly, coily or wavy hair with Cantu. And it says apply to damp hair, section by section, reapply to dry hair as needed for any additional moisture. And then it says styling tip, apply at night and twist into large chunks to extend your style. Okay, so that's just saying if you have a twist out something, you can retwist it with this. But I mean, the Cantu stuff just all smells like gorgeous. So yeah, interested to use that. Nice moisturiser. Funny enough, actually, as I've moisturised today, I'm on the last legs of one of my other ones, so this will be good to see. I might use it. I might decant it actually. Well, should I decant it? I don't know. I'll have to think about it. Just want to decant it and put it in my travel bag. So that's those 4. And then, okay, I've got a travel size of the same conditioner, the Revlon Realistic. So yeah, I'll pop that in my. Good to have it. Like, I would pop it in my travel bag again. Good to have these sizes. Not that I wash my hair in the week. I don't want to just wait till I get home. And then I've got these Annie Invisible hairbands. No kinks, no split ends. I mean, the colour itself, the colour itself's quite. Can you see that? The colour itself's quite. It's like a luminous yellow, and against my like dark hair, that just be so random. But hey, you know, I might give these a go and see how they feel in the hair. So that's it. As normally I would try and use the products and let you know kind of my thoughts on it, but what I will do actually is I'll probably come back with a video on the Revlon Realistic. So I'll do a wash day and let you know how that feels, and potentially then use the Cantu. I mean, I think everyone kind of knows how the Cantu products work, but I will give that a go. So it's just a really quick video, guys. So that is it. That is everything. Let me know if you actually picked up the Curlee box and what your thoughts were. If you've used any of those products as well, that'd be really interesting to see what your thoughts are on that. But with that being said, I am going to now leave and finish getting ready for my travels. But yeah, it's been yeah, that was fun. That was fun. Yeah. So as always, I'm rambling now, so I'm going to leave as I said I was going to, and I will pop some one of my previous videos here for you. So if you're interested in having a look what my last video was, that's great. Click it, and as I say before you go, if you've got to the end, just subscribe to the video, man. Come on, let's build this. Let's build this. So yeah, thanks again for watching, guys, and I shall see you in my next one. See you later. Bye bye.